So I'm just about to draft a short sleeve pattern for shirt. So the measurement I'm using, the armhole is 17, the length is 10 inches. So I'm going to start right away. So I'm measuring 1/2 inch for sewing allowance on top, 1/2 inch, then I'm going to rule that 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to measure the length is 10 inches from that 1/2 inch, which is here. Then I'm adding 1.5 inch to the base for the hemming. For female shirt, 1.5 is just okay, but for male shirt you can add like 2 inches or up to 3.5 depending on how thick you want the hemming to be. So I'm going to rule those points too. This is where the length is. Then I will also rule where the hemming will end. All right, the next thing now is to measure the armhole. The armhole is 17 divided by 2, that's 8.5, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Very good. So I'm going to rule that point too. Okay, before I rule that, how do I get this place? I measure 4 inch down here, which is going to be for the lower slope. That's why I'm going to rule on that point. It is on that point that I now measured the armhole, which is 8.5, 17 divided by 2, then the 1 inch sewing allowance after it. Now I'm going to make a slant. I've done a number of sleeve patterns. That's why I'm not going to too much details on this one. So I'm going to make a slant. I've made a slant like that. And I'm going to find the middle of this slant. The total is like 10. So the middle will be around 5. Then I'm going to find the middle. Let me rule that place first. Okay. Then I'm going to find the middle for the lower slope. 5 into 2 will be 2.5. That means the middle will be here. This one should be 5, around 5 too. That will be 2.5. So for this, I'm going to measure 1/2 inch up for the upper slope, and then here I'll measure 1/2 inch down for the lower slope. Then the next thing is just to connect everything together with a curve. This is simple. Very good. Now the round sleeve is 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. I will still add the 1 inch sewing allowance to it. Then I can now connect the dots. All right, I won't take this down straight. I'm going to add 1 inch to this side, then I can slant it to the side. You know the reason why that we do that, so by the time you fold your hem up, it won't be short. All right, so this is all about the short sleeve pattern. I'm just going to cut it now. It's very simple. You can also watch other videos that I've done on how to cut sleeve patterns, and you'll see that they are all simple as well. So this is your short sleeve pattern, simple and easy.